In last section, I talked about how to install MongoDB in different operating system. From this section, I'll start talking how to add, update, delete, or get data to database. Earlier, I told you these 4 operations: add, update, delete, or get, only the 4 operations that we can perform with database. So without any delay, let's make our hand dirty. In this section, I will make a connection between database and our Node.js app. MongoDB provides us a driver to connect MongoDB database, and then we can add, update, delete, and get operation. Basically, this driver is nothing but a third-party package. If you go to npmjs.com and search MongoDB, we can see exact match. So these are the drivers or third-party package we'll use to connect with database from Node.js application, and then we can do add, update, delete, or get operation. Alright, now I'll install this third-party module by running npm install npm I MongoDB and hit enter. It will install MongoDB third-party module in our project. If you go to package.json file, we can see MongoDB version is 5.5.0. In your case, it may be different. So now again start the server, npm start. First of all, I will import MongoDB module. Const MongoDB is equals to require MongoDB. This MongoDB instance provides us Mongo client class. So now I'll create an instance of this Mongo client class. I hope you already knew that how to create a JavaScript class using new keyword, new MongoDB.Mongo client. You can see that Mongo client start with a capital letter. As it's a class, it's a convention to start with a capital letter of a class. This class return as an instance, so let's store it in a variable. Const client is equals to new MongoDB.Mongo client. This MongoDB class take a parameter which is connection URL. Now question is, what is connection URL? A connection URL contains the information that the provider need to know to be able to establish connection with the database. In a nutshell, a connection URL help us to connect with database from application that we are making. So I will store the connection URL in a variable. Const connection URL is equals to, it's a string, and the format is MongoDB : localhost : 27017. Here localhost means we are using local database. If you want, then you may use cloud database. Don't worry, I'll talk about MongoDB cloud database when we do our REST API project in later video. Alright, so you can see 27017, which is MongoDB default port. By default, MongoDB established this connection in this default port 27017. Now we'll pass this connection URL to Mongo client class. This client instance provides us connect method to connect with database. Now I'll call this connect method client.connect. This is asynchronous, as to connect with database it will take some times, that's why it's asynchronous. So I'll call .then. Within then block, I'll pass a callback function. When connection successfully established, this callback function will call. I'll do a simple console.log database connection successful. After that, .catch block. Within catch block, I'll pass another callback function. When any error happen, then this callback will call. This callback function receive a parameter which is error. I'll console this error, console.log error. If we save the file and look at the console, we can see database connection successful. Alright, that's all for this lecture. From next video, I'll start talking about database operation. So See you in next video.